Hi folks, the other day I did a what's in the bag and one of the items in the bag was this. It's a Bluetooth relay module, and basically what you do is you power up. There's 5 volts of power on this side, and you can have up to 220 240 volts on this side if you want, and you can power things and control them through your Bluetooth mobile phone. And there's a lot of these modules on YouTube at the moment, and a lot of people are using the Arduino to program them. But I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to use App Inventor to do the programming and not really go down the Arduino route. I'd rather just have the App Inventor and this module, and that's it. So I'm just going to show you how it works, and I'll show you the actual programming design of the program I did in App Inventor, but I'll show you how it works. So first of all, 5 volts of power in here. Okay, so we'll switch on the power supply, and then what you have is the Bluetooth is flashing, waiting to be paired. So you have to, like any Bluetooth device, you have to pair the device. So if I go into my mobile phone here, see if I can do it, and I'll go down the list, and on the list you have 2 options. You have a JDY33BLE and a JDY33SPP. Now you're going to have to connect using the SPP, because with my App Inventor program I'm sending serial commands to the actual Bluetooth device, and for that reason you have to choose the SPP. Now the serial commands to switch it on are A00101A2 and A00100A1, which are hex numbers to switch it on and off. But App Inventor, what they're saying is that it doesn't seem to understand hex, so you get these converted into numeric numbers, and I can give you them as well. So let's click on SPP. So it's saying it wants to pair with the device, and it's looking for the password, which is 1 2 3 4, and you say pair. Okay, so we are now paired with that device, so it's on the top of the list. It's there on the list. So let's close this down for a minute. And so although it's still flashing, although it's paired, it's not connected yet. So we need to go to the app. I'll load up the app, and the app is very straightforward. You have an option to connect to the Bluetooth device and then turn on the relay and switch off the relay. Very straightforward. So if I click on the connect button and then I select the Bluetooth device, which is the SPP, you'll see that the status on the app now says the status is connected. So if we watch the actual module here, hopefully we can get it in focus, and if I press the on button, you'll see a red light comes on. If I press the off button, you see the red light goes off. On, off. And that's more straightforward to me, doing it that way, than actually setting it up and programming an Arduino and running it through the Arduino. Okay, so what I'm going to do is at the end of this, I will show you the actual program design in App Inventor, both the design view and the blocks view. So if you want to give it a try, you can just copy what I have in that. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Like, subscribe, and all that kind of jazz.